Ever wondered what connects your everyday digital photos to the complex world of high-stakes financial trading? It sounds like a riddle, but the answer lies in a surprisingly elegant piece of mathematics: wavelets. These clever mathematical tools are quietly working behind the scenes, both compressing the images you share online and helping analysts pinpoint hidden risks in the global economy. Think about the JPEG image on your phone. It's a marvel of efficiency, taking a huge amount of pixel data and shrinking it down to a manageable file size without you noticing any significant loss in quality. This isn't magic, it's a sophisticated algorithm designed to discard redundant information while preserving the essentials. But how does it know what's essential? Traditional image representations treat every pixel equally. A 1920 by 1080 image has over 2 million pixels, each with color information. To store or transmit this raw data for every frame or picture would be incredibly cumbersome. The challenge is to find a more efficient description of the image content, one that focuses on what's truly important to the human eye. For decades, engineers relied on techniques like the Fourier Transform. It breaks down a signal into its constituent sine and cosine waves, telling you what frequencies are present. While revolutionary for understanding global frequencies, the Fourier Transform has a significant limitation: it tells you frequencies exist, but not they occur. This means it struggles to localize changes or sharp features within a signal. This is where wavelets shine. Unlike the infinitely long sine waves of Fourier analysis, wavelets are small waves, localized in both time and frequency. They are like mathematical magnifying glasses, allowing us to zoom in on specific parts of a signal or image to analyze local features, sudden changes, or subtle textures, rather than just the overall composition. When a wavelet transform is applied to an image, it decomposes it into different frequency components at various scales. It essentially breaks the image down into a set of detail coefficients representing high-frequency information and approximation coefficients representing low-frequency information. It's like separating the broad brushstrokes from the fine details. The real magic for compression happens because most real-world images contain a lot of smooth, slowly changing areas and relatively few sharp edges. When transformed by wavelets, this often results in many wavelet coefficients being very small or zero. This phenomenon, called sparsity, is the key to efficient compression. We can discard or heavily quantize these insignificant coefficients without noticeable loss. The JPEG 2000 standard, a more advanced successor to the original JPEG, explicitly leverages wavelet transforms. After the wavelet decomposition, a process called quantization rounds off or zeroes out these small coefficients. The remaining, more important coefficients are then efficiently encoded. This intelligent discarding of information is why you can shrink a photo drastically. Now, how does this relate to financial risk? Financial data, like stock prices or currency exchange rates, can be thought of as a time series, a signal evolving over time. Just as an image has areas of smooth color and sharp edges, financial time series exhibit both long-term trends and sudden, sharp fluctuations, like market crashes or rapid rallies. Applying wavelet transforms to financial data allows analysts to decompose these complex time series into different time scales. We can separate the long-term trends from the short-term noise and sudden events. This multi-resolution analysis provides a much richer understanding than traditional methods. In risk management, wavelets help identify anomalies, sudden shifts in volatility, or underlying cycles that might be masked by everyday market noise. For instance, a wavelet analysis might reveal a sudden increase in high-frequency energy coinciding with a specific news event, or a persistent mid-frequency oscillation that signals a brewing market trend or instability. This allows for a more nuanced and timely assessment of risk. So, whether you're uploading a holiday snapshot or a hedge fund manager is scrutinizing market data, the same fundamental mathematical principle of wavelets is at work. It's a testament to the unifying power of mathematics, proving that an efficient way to describe visual information can also be an incredibly potent tool for understanding and managing financial uncertainty.